First of all, mga kasawsaw, why I choose Win-Win to get on the top five and to get the crown. If there's a chance, if just to hoping that Win-Win will get the crown. Of course, those candidate, those beauty queens like Bohol, she's on my top five. Also, Bohol, Aklan, Baguio, Cebu City, and Davao, Muntinlupa, of course Win-Win, of course, and of course Laguna, and those queens are really deserving. And of course Quezon Province, Ate sa Manalo. Of course those queens are on my top five. But if there is chance Win-Win getting the crown, so why I choose Win-Win Marquez? Because first of all, the pasarela, wow, excellent, on point, and of course the communication skill, of course, very excellent then, and the way she speak, coming from the heart, and of course the potential, since she is already a beauty queen, she got a title holder as a Raida Hispano-Americana in last 2017. Of course, that's the big impact, of course, and the gown, the way she wore the gown, the way she representing herself in the conference or in the stage was on point. Also, the walk, it's not only a normal walk, but she has a signature walk that really make her shine on the stage, na talagang siya lang, the signature that she has. And of course, yung being who is she, being natural on the video, on the interviewer that she got an interview, talagang on point also. That's the reason why I like her. And not only beauty, but she has a big heart to embrace being a woman and to challenge this unmarried or married or pregnant woman or anyone, all women about around the universe, that this is not the end. We, as a woman, ako talaga, no, we all, like, if that transgender, I know for me, I love this transgender. I really love them. I really support with them. But I think there's a stage from my sister, from all my sister there out there. But I really support you guys. I really support you. Whatever it takes that you will compete in Miss Universe Philippines, that's your choice. We have a different kind of personality, and